Yeah, see, keep doing that. Last time we were up here, all this was still numbered.
Yeah, I know. Been a while though, I guess.
Yes, it has. I haven't seen any numbers, have you?
Oh, that was still ice.
That looking? Looks okay so far. If you can make it up that first part.
Yeah.
It didn't seem bad. I just don't know how your traction control acts on that thing.
Oh.
Is it okay?
Yeah, that was alright.
See what this is. Looks pretty smooth. I think you're good. It just stops. Oh, okay. Here's the other ledge, or another ledge.
Single track?
No, it's double track.
Oh, okay. Is there more? Oh, okay. I see.
Looks like it keeps going, but I mean, I have no idea what it turns into. It's real smooth though. Oh yeah, big rock up here. If you can get up that first little spot where you're at, I think you're good.
Oh shit! Oh, wrong way. Man, I got crossed on that stupid stick. Hang on it. They ain't sell this and get it 50L.
Well, it'd save you a lot of money, buddy. You could probably get 4 of them. Out of whack.
Yeah.
Ow! Oops.
What'd you do? You alright?
Yeah, hit my foot on a rock. Pulling up some big rocky cliff climb. Yeah, buddy, this is great up here. Yeah, you gotta get up here.
Don't mind me, just taking a dirt now.
You didn't fall over.
Oh!
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Naparoo.
little nap route.
That's the hardest parts right there where you're at. The rest of it's
What?
good.
Fucking thing's heavy. You can't lift it and throw the back end around. Oh, Lord.
You ready to trade it for a DR?
Fuck, I don't know.
Trade it for
Fucking
250, yeah.
Just fucking sell it and keep my WR.
I'll give you a DR and a Versus for it, buddy.
Be better off, looks like.
You're going the wrong direction, buddy.
Yeah, hills up that way, huh?
I think you've done gnarlier stuff today on your Africa Twin than Versus, but you could have traction control isn't a problem.
It's just not going anywhere that I want it to go.
Yeah.
God. I mean, it's fucking horrible.
Oh! How'd you get over there? Help?
Damn it, dude.
I think you're gonna need some help right there, buddy. I'm coming.
Shouldn't be that hard.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh. Fuck. This thing's just gonna slide whenever I get it up.
So we got two of us for it, buddy. Did the rear wheel stop spin? Did it stop spinning on you?
Yeah, I mean, it's just fucking sliding everywhere. It's fucking tire sucks.
Okay.
I mean, like I said, I get it up, it's just gonna end up sliding.
Maybe we can walk it.
Up?
Yep. That's a brake, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you start it and walk it? Just got to get another few feet and it'll be dry. Dry air. Having flashbacks to Africa Twin.
Yeah, no shit.
Whoa.
That tire's not going anywhere, dude. Alright, what do you think? I could just slide it back around.
You think you can slide the front end? King can't go back much further.
Shit. I know, dude.
There's nowhere to. You got the brake?
Yeah. Oh, shit, fucking slide. Alright, you want to just roll it down?
Yeah, we probably can now.
I'm going to just, ease the brake off a little bit.
Okay.
Maybe. Yeah, it's wanting to rock that way. Fucking ass end's so fucking heavy, dude. Alright, here we go.
Okay. You'll be alright if he...
I think so.
You're good? Hey, you're still good. Can you get it more,
Yeah, hang on.
upright maybe? Whoa. Alright, you're probably gonna slide off, but be okay.
That's fine. Shooey! Holy shit, dude.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
It's all about the struggle, bro. Just need a couple good dirt tires. I can't believe you made it that far, and traction control must have got you.